There's a new quiz on DAC Chain, and in this video I'm going to guide you on how you can be able to do that particular quiz. For every participant in this quiz, you're going to get 30 quantum energy points and an additional bonus of 10 quantum energy points if you actually get all the answer correctly. Don't worry, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can be able to do it, okay? If this is the first time of you coming across my YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. The goal of my YouTube channel is to give you education and an understanding on cryptocurrency and airdrops. And on this channel, we'll talk about everything that has to do with making money. So if you're interested in any of those, make sure you subscribe. I'm actually going to drop this particular link in the comment section. So once you tap on the link, it's going to bring you down here. You can see it's DAC Quantum Chain Educational Quiz 4. So I will recommend you switch to that particular email that you connected to your DAC chain or you intend to connect to your DAC chain. Then come here and record it. Let me scroll up. So there are two information you actually need here, which is your Discord ID and your Discord username. So right now I'm going to show you how you can be able to get your Discord ID and how you can be able to get your Discord username, okay? Then I'm also going to give you the answers to all of the questions. So right now let me head over to my Discord. So just come over to your Discord, then come down to this your profile here. Tap on your profile. I'll just close this. This right here is your Discord username. If you don't see it there or you have not set your username, just come to this point here. Tap on it. That's the settings. Then you come to account here and tap on your account. Then you're going to see your username here. If you haven't set your username, you can be able to set your username here, okay? I believe that's clear enough. So for me to get my user ID, I'm just going to go back. So to avoid any confusion, let me just go back again. So immediately you come down here, you're going to go to this your setting. So you tap on your settings. Then just come to this bar here and search for advanced. Advanced. You can see it here, advanced. So just tap on it. If you check yours, this developer mode might be off. It might be off like this. So just come and turn it on, tap on it and it's going to turn on, okay? So once it turns on, just go back. So I'll tap back again. Then just come back to this your home and go to any chat. I'm already on the DAC blockchain. So I just go to their general chat. So I'll tap on it and I'll just say good morning guys. And I'll just type good morning guys. So you just come here and send it. So once you send it, what you're going to do is just locate that your message. You can see my message here. So you just come to this your profile picture and tap on the profile picture. So you tap on the profile picture. Then tap on these three white dots here. You tap on the three white dots. You can see copy user ID. You can also see copy username, but it's the user ID we want to copy right now. So you just tap on the copy user ID and now it has been copied to your clipboard. So just minimize and go back there and fill it, okay? So it's going to look like this, okay? Then you just come down here and answer all of these particular questions, okay? So let me scroll up and we'll do it together. So I just scrolled up. I'm actually going to drop all the answers in the comment section and I'm also going to drop it in my WhatsApp community. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, join my Telegram channel in the comment section. Then check on the pinned post. You see the links to my WhatsApp community. Then you just join any of them, okay? So the first answer is B. The second answer is B. The third answer is A. The fourth answer is C. The fifth answer is D. The sixth answer is A. And the seventh answer is C. So you just come down here and tap on submit. So just tap on submit. And you can see it. Please ensure it shows like this. Your response has been recorded. So just by doing this, you're going to get 30 quantum energy points. That's the QE points. Then if you get all the answers correctly, you're going to get a bonus 10 quantum energy points. I believe that's clear enough. For those of you that have not joined at all, I'm going to drop my referral link in the comment section. Just copy my referral link and come and put it in your DApp browser. So when you search on it, it's going to bring you down here. So just come to this point and connect. So you tap on connect, then choose your wallet. I'm actually using my Bitget wallet. You can use your OKS wallet, you can use your MetaMask if you want. So just tap on my BitGet wallet, it's installed. So tap on it and access is going to be granted me. Now this is very, very important. If you're seeing this particular video right now, you have 1 day left and 7 hours to claim your gold early badge. This is quite similar with the OG row. It's just a badge that you are actually early on this particular testnet. And one good benefit is that it's going to give you a 1.5x multiplier on all your quantum energy points. So you just come down here and you claim it, okay? Then for you to be able to get your referral link, just scroll down and you can be able to see your referral link here. Copy it and share it to your friends. If you have been doing this particular project, you discover that there have been a whole lot of glitches. Let's check out the X page. This is the official X DAC page. I can see it. They said, "We see and appreciate all your feedback. The team is actively working around the clock to fix bugs and roll out new updates on inception. Keep them coming." So if you scroll down, you're going to see that a lot of people are actually complaining about a whole lot of things. You can see this person, he said, "All my points and my badge gets reset even though I logged in using the correct wallet. I hope this is just a bug." And look at what they said. "Thanks for flagging this. Wallet synchronization issues are being looked into as we speak, and your progress should not be lost." They addressed a whole lot of issues here. I don't want to go through all of them. So let me go back to the site. Coming back to the site here, there are some key things that you actually need to be doing in this particular testnet. And there are some I did not tell you in the previous video that I'm going to show you. So just come to this point here. Just like I said, anytime you come down here, always come and claim your faucet tokens. So you just tap on claim testnet. I've actually done this early morning. And just like I said, you claim once every 8 hours, okay? So after claiming, you should be done, okay? Then come down to this point here. You can come to your home, come to your task, then scroll up and make sure you finish your task. Just like they said, they are actually working on fixing a lot of the bugs. If you observe, most of the things here have actually been done, but we cannot be able to claim our points, okay? So what I'm going to suggest here is just keep doing what you can do while the team, they fix it from their end, okay? And just like I said, this testnet is going to last for only 30 days. After 30 days, they're going to launch their mainnet. And this your quantum energy point is going to be your main token in the mainnet. Please take this project extremely serious. This is a layer 1 project. So after doing all of those tasks, you can actually come here. Come to this QE pool. Very, very important. In the first video, I actually told you need to max bond this. But after looking at this again, you don't need to max bond this because there are actually some tasks that you need to have like 13 of these, maybe 15 of these, 20 of these to get quantum energy points. Let me scroll up now. You can see that you also need to stake. Are you seeing it? So you can actually burn 1 DAC token, and if you burn 1 DAC token, you're actually going to get 1000 quantum energy points. Then if you come over to this point and actually stake, that's if you stake DAC tokens, it can generate more DAC tokens for you. I believe that's clear enough. So the point is that you're not supposed to leave your DAC token idle. You either stake them, burn them, or you keep them to achieve milestones. But for me, what I'm going to recommend is that keep them and achieve the milestones first. After you have achieved the milestones, then you can easily burn them if you want. But if you consider the staking, then I'll say you should stake some percentage of it, because the longer the stake, the more DAC tokens you're actually going to get. I believe that's clear enough. So if you scroll up now, these are actually the exchange rates, okay? You need to do this, okay? You need to be doing this. This is very, very important. Then now this is the quantum crate. I will not advise you to come to this quantum crate, okay? because this is just like gambling. I actually tried this. I wanted to see it for myself, and when I did, I actually lost some. You can see it here. On the 22nd of April, I actually tried it. So each of them cost me 150 quantum energy points. So I did it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 5 of them cost me 750 quantum energy points. And I only won once. But I won just one, which is 150 quantum energy. So I spent 715 quantum energy points just to get 600 quantum points. For me, I'm not going to advise you to do it. It's like gambling with your points, okay? But if you want to do it, you can actually try it. So coming back here, you can actually explore on your own. The last thing you need to be doing here is your badges. Very, very important. Come here and claim your badges. So as you're claiming your badges, also mint your NFT. You can see that I've gotten some NFT. I've been able to mint this, mint this, mint this, and mint this. But just like I said, they're having some glitches, and the team said they're working on the bug, because I've actually been trying to mint this and it's not been going. So basically, these are the things that you need to be doing, and also try to maintain your streak here, because it's going to give you more points, okay? Then these are ways you can actually be able to get more quantum energy points. So just come here and read, okay? Now this is what I was telling you. You can see what they said. Hold a balance of 5 DAC. So I earn this. Hold a balance of 10 DAC. I earn this. Now I need to hold a balance of 25 DAC to actually earn this. If I hold 50, I'll earn this. That was why I was telling you that you can actually hold those DAC. Just stick a little bit, just like I did. I stick 7. Then you can just leave it, don't stick again. Then just start accumulating and see how far you can be able to get some of these stacks. I believe that's clear enough. So in a brief recap, if I come back here, each time you come to this testnet, always claim your faucet after every 88 hours. Go to your home and do your daily tax and do any other tax that is there, okay? Then you can come to this your quantum energy pool and burn your DAC to quantum energy points, or you can stake it to get more DAC tokens. Or it's even better, you can actually stake your DAC tokens while you are accumulating more, because you can actually withdraw it anytime. And by so doing, you're going to earn more quantum energy points. Then you can come here to check your position on the leaderboard. You can come here to check your activities. Then lastly, you can come here and mint your different badges. The key here is consistency. Just be consistent. I believe that's clear enough. So basically, this is the latest information on the DAC testnet. Just like I said, if you have not joined this particular project, I'm going to drop my referral link in the comment section. And do well to join my WhatsApp community by joining my Telegram channel in the comment section. Tap on the pin post and join my WhatsApp community. So basically, that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, or you found any form of value from this video, do well to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications, so that I can be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also do well to join our Telegram community, link in the video description, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.